Alright, so here's the thing with these. Those rubber bands will eventually eat through the paint and mess up these castings. There's like a 99% chance of that happening. And I've been after this exact pair ever since I passed on them at the flea market years ago over at the Silver Lake Hollis Flea Market in New Hampshire. And I literally just ran out of cash, and I just wasn't going to go to an ATM and get cash. I was done. I bought a bunch of stuff, so I told myself I'd come back and buy them next week. And then I came back, and of course they were gone. The guy had sold them. And the package was imperfect, and now I got this perfect package, but I'm not going to keep these in here because they're going to get destroyed. So I'm going to crack them open because that's more fun, and the package is huge, and, well, I have my reasons. So, let's take these out of here carefully. Open this thing up. I really wish this hood opened more, but it's still pretty awesome. 340. It's beautiful. Nice example of a brand other than Hot Wheels doing a good job at Spectra Flame. I mean, that's what Hot Wheels calls it. Hood doesn't close exactly flush, but you can forgive that. I like this thing. I like this pair. It's nice. The hood doesn't open any wider on this one, just in case you're wondering. But it's all good. Definitely like this pair. I'm happy I got it.